ni sa re sa re sa ga re sa re ga sa re ga sa re ni sa ga re sa ma ga ga pa dha dha ga pa dha ni dha pa ma pa ni pa ni sa dha ni dha pa dha ma pa ma pa ga ma ga sa ga pa ma pa da pa ga da pa ga sa ga pa ga pa dha pa ga ma sa re sa नमस्कार। कहरुवा ताल 8 मात्राको ताल यसमा 2 विभाग हुन्छ। पहिलो विभागमा 4 मात्रा, दोस्रो विभागमा 4 मात्रा गरेर जम्मा 8 मात्रा। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 फर्स्ट साइकल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 second cycle. How many cycle we can say? We can say many cycle. For practice we should practice more and more cycle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 more and more cycle we should practice. And कहरुवा tal consists of 8 beat. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now if we compare to the bowl of tabla, then for कहरुवा tal 1 is dha, 2 is ge, 3 is na, and 4 is ka, 5 is again 1 is dha, 2 is ge, and 3 is na, 4 is ti, 5 is na, 6 is ka, 7 is dhi, and 8 is na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dhage na ti na kadhe na. So in this frame we should practice more in this frame. Now clap and wave. Tali khali. So kaharua tal need both the hand, right hand and left hand, both the hand, to perform tali and khali. Watching? If not, then watch it. So tali and khali. So as I have said that this is clap and this is wave. So here also we need clap and wave. Clap and wave. So now at first I'd like to say this is palm, and we should touch one beat to one palm. We should touch beat. We should touch two palm for one beat. Suppose dha and ge na ti. So these three finger need first finger, second finger, third finger. So dha, here I am saying dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na. So for this hand, this first finger, three lines are used. First line, second line, third line. In khali area we need this line. We put here this finger like this. In this, for this line it is one beat, and for this line it is one beat, and for this line it is one beat. So again I am performing. So dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na. So dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na. Dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na. Dha. We should close by dha. Before we practicing in bowl, if we feel difficulty while practicing in bowl, then we first practice with the help of number, that the number frame system, that means 1 to 8. So we do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and close by 1. And but now after practicing this 20 or 30 times, more than 30 times, then if we now felt easy while practicing this according to number system, then we can practice with the help of bowl also. So dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, dhi, na. 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 Dha. Many cycle we can practice, but after practicing and at last we should close by dha, and that is sum. Last time I have said that what is sum. and this is all about Tali Khali in Kahrwa Tal. Now, by taking song and tal at a time, we can perform a song that the song related in Kahrwa Tal, that song we can perform with the help of Tali Khali. Here it is. Suppose example one song I am taking, very famous song, that Kali Prasad Baskota musician, he is composed one, Timro Mayale Bandera Raka, and that is also in Kahrwa Tal. So I am little bit showing that song. So singer Kali Prasad Baskota, composer Kali Prasad Baskota, and musician Kali Prasad Baskota one, that song Timro Mayale Bandera Raka, that one I am showing in Kahrwa Tal by singing. So the song is in Maya, Ma. Timro Mayale Bandera Raka, Mero Sirani होस् तिम्रो काखा, जान नदेऊ मलाई अब टाढा, माया यो होस् अझै अझै गाढा, तिम्रो मायाले बाँधेर राख, मेरो सिरानी होस् तिम्रो काखा, जान नदेऊ मलाई अब टाढा, माया यो होस् अझै अझै गाढा. So at last we are closing. So now I am discussing with this song that Timro Mayale Bandera Raka. First we prepare a sur as much as we practice in vocal, and then what? That means for the spirit of song, we should that add to that vocal, to that tal kahrwa, and now that the song will be very popular hit. So here the application of kahrwa tal. So we should use that in song, and because that song become very much fine, good, and very much hit also, and people like it. And so this is the example, and that Tali Khali, we should understand Kahrwa Tal. Today class, this is 11th class of music class, and first year music class, and we are in Tal series, and Kahrwa Tal, I think tomorrow also I will discuss about Kahrwa Tal in some case, and again if I get time, then I will enter to another Tal. So यति भन्न चाहन्छु, र विद्यार्थीहरू, सङ्गीत विद्यार्थीहरू, सङ्गीत महानुभावहरू, सङ्गीत कलाकारहरू, म्युजिसियनहरू, बजाउन जान्नुहुनेहरू, सम्पूर्ण जो कोही यहाँले यो भिडियोहरू हेरिरहनु भएको छ भने यो भिडियोसँग जोडिनुहोस्, and hope you will get benefit from this video. And I'd like to request all people, please subscribe this Bharat Mainali YouTube channel, and by staying in house, and by pressing the button, and by searching Bharat Mainali, and we can easily find music series that is running in this YouTube channel. And if I get more and more subscriber, then I will be very excited. I feel very happy, and we can give more and more musical series which is essential, and the benefit of music I have described more in previous videos. So music guru, music teacher Bharat Mainali, my humble request, so join to this music series by saying this and by performing our Tal Kaharwa today's class 11th series. I'd like to close my chapter. So okay, thank you, नमस्कार, यहाँहरूको दिन शुभ बितोस्। हस्त, धन्यवाद।